Hello, my English virtual tutor. My name is Jeffrey Lopez. Today I'm going to talk about comparisons. This is Dubai, before and now. Dubai was a small commercial city before it was more desert than asphalt. There were a few buildings, but on low height. Life in Dubai was that of a rural fishing village where there were no luxuries or tourist attractions. There were no large sports stadiums, but camels. Dubai was a small port, and no one imagined what would happen next. Cultivation of dates and grazing were the main activity. The city was above all a place of catering and accommodation for merchants who passed through there to sell spice, fabrics, and gold. Now, Dubai is a futurist, artificial and fun city at the same time, where they know no limits. It's like a huge amusement park of, of the most important tourist and business destination on the planet, which is why its creepers, hundreds of business, and even artificial islands were built. Now, Dubai is an innovative city with projects that are always more incredible than the others that include constructions. Today, Dubai is undoubtedly one of the most modern cities in the world. Oil money and the ambition of successive governments had managed to turn it into one of the most prestigious tourist destinations. Thank you.